Second
attempt.
This is my second attempt to drink out of a fountain. A fountain. Okay. You gotta, where it says push, there's 4 of them, so you're gonna push them all at the same time. And, oh, you gotta do that. Yeah. And then you're good. That's how you drink out of a fountain. Or, if you want to be stupid, people drink out of it like this. It's not as efficient or as tasty. Your turn.
Let's try this. How'd you get all of them?
Just like that.
Oh.
Dude, I never tried it that way. Oh, dude, that looked good.
The student has surpassed the master.
Oh, that is delicious.
I mean, it looks weird from like a point of view.
It was delicious.
You thirsty, Cameron?
So thirsty.
You missed a button.
You did miss a button. It must taste like ass.
Epic fail. Oh, my eyeball.
I'll teach you how to tan now.
Oh.
I didn't teach you good enough.
How do you tan? Oh, wise tutor of the stick and water fountain arts.
You lay down, you take my stick, and you go, sun! Look at that.
Oh.
Here comes the sun. Sun!
What is the sun doing over there?
I mean, sun! Over there.
Yeah.
Sun!
Or is it?
No more sun. Because it is 2 years from 2012.
What? Oh.
That was very violating.
Oh, I'm sorry. You want me to do it again?
Sun!
So uncomfortable. So fucking uncomfortable. Oh,
Gonorrhea.
oh. Thank you.